Good afternoon, students. Welcome back to the learning classes. This is your science period. I hope you all are good. So, students, we have completed lesson number 8 with complete explanation and exercises. Now, today we will move further to our next chapter, that is lesson number 9, lights and shadow. So, all of you open your books, page number 80. Today we will do the reading and explanation of this chapter first. So, now let's start. Light helps us to see things around us. Let us study more about it. We see with the help of light. Now, what is light? Why we are unable to see in dark? We are unable to see in dark because of the absence of light. We cannot see in dark because there is no light. When the light falls on the objects, they become visible to us, and when the light falls, we can see those objects. The main source of light, the sun is the main source of light during the day. The sun also gives us heat. It is the sun that makes the day bright and warm. So, sun is the main source of light that gives us heat and light and makes the day bright and warm. The sun rises in the morning and sets in the evening. At night, when the sunlight is not present, we use candle, lamps, CFLs, bulbs, LEDs, and tube lights as the main source of light. So, sun rises in the east and sets in the west in the evening. And at night we use CFLs, bulbs, candle, all these things as a main source of light. The moon also gives light at night. Okay. So object that gives light at night. So these are the objects that gives light at night. Okay. Now we'll study about formation of shadow. You must have noticed a dark patch moving along with you when you walk in the sunlight. This dark patch is known as shadow. So the dark patch is known as shadow. A shadow is formed when an object blocks the path of the light. And how the shadow is formed? Shadow is formed when the path of the light is blocked due to the presence of any object. The shadow is always formed behind the object, and shadow is always formed behind the object in the opposite side from the source of light. The shadow is always dark or black because light does not reach behind that object. So shadow is always dark and black. Length of shadow. Now what is the length of shadow? During the morning and evening, the sun appears to be far. Therefore, the shadow of the object is long. During the noon, when the sun is just overhead, the shadow becomes short. So we can say that the shadow is longest in the morning and evening and shortest at noon. So shadow is longest during morning and evening time and it is shortest at noon. Okay. Now we will move to our exercise part. Okay. Write down CW. Write down the date. Date is 25th 11/2021. Take the correct answer. Which of the following is the main source of light at night? Option A is sun, option B moon, option C is bulb, option D stars. So it is the bulb that is the main source of light at night. Number 2, what is the dark patch formed due to the blocking of light at night? A day, B night, C shadow, D moon. It is a shadow. Dark patch is the shadow that is formed. C number 3, when is the size of the shadow formed due to the sunlight shortest? A morning, B evening, C noon, D night. It is afternoon when the shadow is shortest. Number 4, what is the color of the shadow? Blue, white, changes with the color of the object, yeah, black. So shadow is always black in color. Now we will do exercise B. Fill in the blanks. We can see objects only in the presence of light. Number 2, shadow formed by the sun are dash in the evening. It is longest. LONGEST. Shadow is always in color. It is always dark in color. Dash act as a main source of light during the day. Sun is the main source of light during the day. Okay. Now we will do exercise C. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1, shadow formed by the sun is longest in the evening. It is true. Number 2, shadow is formed on the same side of the source of light. No, it is formed on the opposite side. It is false. Number 3, the main source of heat of the earth on the earth is the sun. Yes, it is true. Number 4, we can see without light. No, it is false. Okay, so now we will move to our next exercise, that is exercise D. Match the following. Number 1, shadow. It is a dark patch formed due to the absence of light. So this is number 1. You need not to draw lines, just do the numbering. Okay, so this is number 1. Number 2, sun, source of light during the day. This is a source of light during the day. Number 3, electric bulb, source of light at night. Number 4, eyes help us to see. This is number 4. Alright. So student, these are the exercises that you will do in your book only. No need to write in copies. You will complete your work in your book only. Alright. Now it's homework time. Write down your today's homework. So your homework is science. Learn exercise A, B, C and D of lesson 9. This is your homework from your book. Alright, so I hope it is clear to you all. That's all in this video. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.